Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Is your laptop touchpad too slow or too sensitive? If so, then this video might be able to help you. Today we're going to teach you how to resolve touchpad issues on Windows 10 laptop. Whether it's too sensitive to touch or it's not that sensitive enough. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the search bar and type in regedit. This is the best result registry editor. Right-click on it, then select Run as Administrator. A pop-up message will appear asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select Yes. So it is recommended to create a backup of this. In case anything could go wrong, you can easily retrieve it. In order to create a backup, just click on the File tab on the upper left corner of the screen. Then select Export. You can put the date in which you are making the backup as the file name. Then you can choose Desktop. Make sure that the export range is all and click the Save button. If you need to import it back, just click on the File tab again and select Import. And search for it to the file location. Now, let's begin. Double-click on the H key current user to expand. Next, expand the software folder. Do the same thing for Microsoft. Scroll down until you find Windows. Double-click on it. Next, expand Current Version folder. Then, find and click on Precision Touchpad. And here it is. On the right pane, you'll notice the AAP threshold. Double-click on it. The value data should be from 0 to 3, 0 as being the most sensitive, 1 is high sensitivity, 2 is medium sensitivity, and 3 is the low sensitivity. So if you think your laptop is too sensitive, you can set it to 2. Basically, the lower the number is, the higher the sensitivity. I'm just going to set mine to 1. So, once you've entered your preferred value data, click the OK button and restart your laptop. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.